So now there are 3 types of fasting. Fasting जो होता है उसमें खाते नहीं है हम. We should not eat. Then only it is fasting. So fasting is 3 type, that is juice fasting or liquid fasting, and then water fasting, and then air fasting. This is as per our Ayurveda. And what is juice fasting? जूस फास्टिंग में हम लोग सब्जियों के जूस को लेते हैं दिन भर, और जूस फास्टिंग ऐसे करते हैं केवल लिक्विड लेके. तो लिक्विड में भी कैसे लेंगे? वी विल नॉट take the fibers, we will sieve the juice, only the liquid portion we will take during the fasting. You all must be thinking that fiber भी तो जरूरी होता है, but in the fasting we want our body to relax, and this juice will help in detox only. So this is good. And I will tell you now who wanted to keep fast, juice fast on Ekadashi, 15th August. I will tell you what you should be doing and not doing. So the first thing, let me share my screen. You can see my screen?
Yes, we can. I mean, I can.
Okay, so for juice fasting, yeah, so only juice are allowed are coconut water or fresh juice, and it has to be fresh, because if you are using that bottled juice and all, that will not be allowed, because it has lots of sugar, and our purpose of fast will be failed then. So the juice should be of vegetables, and fruit also can be taken, but again we don't I don't this should not be done, because in fruit fasting, if you prepare juice from fruit and sieve it, so the fiber will be gone and mostly the sugar contained will be there. So when you are fasting and you drink sugary thing immediately, so that will not be so good. So that's why I would recommend to have only vegetable juices, and apple juice can be taken and orange juice can be taken, and fruits, that will be okay. And other than that, no smoothies, nothing like chai, coffee, and can you see this? Smoothies, fruits, soups, tea and coffee, even herbal tea, green tea, these kind of things you cannot take.
Swati, have you expanded that image or something? Because I can see in a thumbnail format.
Okay. No, I have opened the image. Yeah. Can you see now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so these are the things that need to be avoided, like smoothies, fruits, soups, tea, coffee. This should not be taken. Strictly, this should not be taken. Only fresh juice should be taken, and it should be consumed with like if you have prepared the juice, drink it right away. Because if you will keep it for longer time, then oxidation will happen, and lots of vitamins you will already lose. So no purpose of having that juice. Coconut water is best. Coconut water is best to have during fasting. You can have throughout the day if you want. If you are doing juice fasting, only on coconut water you can do it. So then the next is.
And in vegetable juices, what are the juices which is fine to have?
Vegetable juices you can have like cucumber, tomato, or beetroot, carrot juice, or
Salt is allowed to put on them? We can put salt?
no, nothing, no salt, no sugar, nothing. I will come to that only in the next.
We have to take
In the
mix,
next, can you see the next?
yes, mixed vegetable soup or a single vegetable at a time.
As per your choice. As per your choice. You can combine different vegetables, or you can have a single vegetable. That is, only the thing is, green leafy vegetables are more rich in, they are naturally detoxifying. So if you will have juices of green leafy vegetables, it is more,
And
combination with that, it is more, increase the detox during fasting.
And can it be warm? Like, say I make a like. Uh,
You you should not. You should take it in room temperature. The juice should be taken in the room temperature. It should not be kept in fridge and then consumed later, or not. Nor it should be kept warm.
No, I mean to say, like, say I just warm up I just make the tomato pulp instead of the juice, and so I cannot just warm it in the gas or something. That's not.
No, we should have it as naturally it is available. We should have that. Even we should take it with the peel. Like if you are having cucumber also, if you want to juice cucumber, let the peel remain. So consume everything as a whole. So that's why if you will juice it as a whole, it is better. But if you can see that the peel is not looking healthy, then you remove it and then you juice it like that. And in lockdown, whatever option is available, do that, whichever is best for you. And
Okay, and
yes.
yeah, one more question. Like, what is the frequency in which it's not recommended or recommended, please?
Ask only what I am
Swati,
telling right
sorry
now. I
to
will cover it. Yeah.
Swati, a small suggestion. Can you just go ahead with your presentation questions? We can keep it last so that those who can leave, they can leave early, and those who
Sure,
want
sure,
to
sure.
ask the question, they can
Yes,
stay
yes,
back.
yes. Bilkul, bilkul. I will do that. So, what things are allowed? You can add lemon for taste. You can grate the ginger and put it in the mixer with the vegetables, and ginger you can add. Mint you can add. Coriander you can add for the taste. But no salt, no sugar, no honey, nothing, no other sweetener or salt can be added. Then every juice need to be sieved before consuming. This is very important because we are giving our digestive system rest. So make sure you sieve the juice because otherwise our purpose will be failed, and our digestive system will become active if any solid thing will enter. So properly sieve the juice. You can use some cotton cloth, रुमाल बड़ा वाला जो होता है उसको अपनी छन्नी के ऊपर लगा के जूस निकाल के फिर पूरा रुमाल से दबा के भी you can do that. Yes. Then the next thing is, yeah, this I already told, consume juice as quickly as you have made. You don't keep it for longer time, otherwise वो खराब हो जाएगा. Then the most important thing is eat the juice. हम लोग generally what we do, we take the liquid and gulp it. एक बार में पूरा पी जाते हैं, मगर अभी हमें ऐसे नहीं करना है. वी आर डूइंग जूस फास्टिंग. और जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, कितनी सब्जियों को काट के हमने जूस बनाया है, और अगर वो सब्जियों को हम इफ दोज वेजिटेबल्स वी आर ईटिंग, तो हाउ मच टाइम इट वुड हैव टेकन फॉर दोज वेजिटेबल to get inside our system. So that's why it is very important that you take the juice in your mouth and squish it. उसको पूरा squish करते रहें और फिर उसके बाद उसको पिएं. Yes, so you have to give time, like you're chewing the juice, mixing the saliva, experiencing it. वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Do not drink juice while doing something and just gulping it. Give time to it, like you eat your meal, sit for eating your juice. That's why the word eat is written, so that you give that much time to it. Nowadays, we are not giving even time to chew the food. Food should be chewed properly. So remember, while keeping juice fasting, you chew your juice. You keep it for some time, then you take inside. And with full awareness that what is happening, how the taste is happening. So in complete juice fasting, you have to keep on introspecting what is happening inside you at each levels, body level, mind level, even how your buddhi is behaving and how your feelings are. All these things keep on introspecting when you keep juice fast. Then for juicing, there are different methods. So if you have juicer, it is best, you can use juicer. But if you don't have juicer, you just simply blend in the mixture, putting some water, and then you sieve it. And if you don't have mixer also, no problem, you can grate it. Grate the vegetable and then उसको पूरा दबा के उसका जूस निकालना है, right? So I already told, yeah. Okay, now water fasting. So for juice fasting, these were the important things. Also, I will tell you the timings of, just timings are only for, uh, just to make note of it. Otherwise, you divide by yourself. So how should be the routine when you fast? So as tomorrow is Ekadashi, so today night, you have to have very light dinner. हमें फास्ट के जिस दिन हमें शुरू करना होता है फास्ट, उसके एक दिन पहले हम बहुत ही हल्का डिनर लेते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज द फूड विच वी आर हैबिचुअल ऑफ टेक्स लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम इन डाइजेशन. तो वो पेट में ही पड़ा रहेगा फास्ट के दिन. अगर इफ विल टेक हैवी फूड इन द डिनर, इट विल बी इन अवर स्टमक ओनली in when we are fasting. So that's why have early dinner, and in early dinner also you have no grains. Don't have any grains in your dinner. You can have soup, vegetable soup, सारा सब्जियों का कुछ मिक्स करके you can prepare a soup recipe. There are very nice soup recipes available in internet. You can select any soup recipe. Usually what I do is, whatever vegetables I have, I boil the vegetables, and then I will add little black salt and a little ghee in it, and then I have it. So like this I do. But आप कोई भी soup recipe देख सकते हैं. Just make sure you don't add any grains into the soup. Yeah. तो ये this is the thing. Otherwise you can also have simple salads. Salads भी ले सकते हैं. It's just you should not have grains in the dinner. Try it. And then in the next day what you need to do, in the morning you do all your yoga practices. अपना सारा योगा का जो भी आप साधना करते हैं वो साधना आप करिए. asanas, pranayama, meditation, all your routine you complete it. And yeah, sorry, one important thing I forgot is today is because tomorrow you will be keeping fast. So people who have acidity, जिनको एसिडिटी की प्रॉब्लम होती है फास्टिंग के टाइम पे, वो लोग वामन धोती कर सकते हैं आज. तो आप या तो अभी जस्ट यहाँ से निकल के सेशन से आप वामन कर लीजिए, या फिर डू इट इन द इवनिंग when your lunch is digested. After that, when you are empty stomach, you can do the vaman. तो उससे क्या होता है कि एक्स्ट्रा एसिड अगर आपकी बॉडी में है तो वो निकल जाएगा. So when you will fast, you will not feel that acidity kind symptoms as much as you used to feel earlier when you fast. तो वामन करना है. प्लस नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू आर फास्टिंग, लाइक टुमारो, डू योर षट क्रियास. which षट क्रियास you can do jalaneti. Jalaneti is very good. Jalaneti करना जरूरी होता है. Actually it is not zaruri, it is optional, but being a yoga teacher we should do jalaneti during fasting. And then the next thing which we can do is that I will tell you after, because the timing is different for that. So after your meditation and all, what you need to do is you have 1 glass of water, or if you can have more water also, but at like around 11 o'clock around, you have water, as much water you want. जितनी प्यास लगी है उतना पानी ले लेना है. Then at the time of your lunch, जब लंच का टाइम, और पानी को भी कैसे लेना है, जैसे हमने जूस लिया था, बैठकर एक एक घूंट कर कर आराम से ऑब्जर्व करते हुए when water is entering inside you, how you are feeling. तो ऐसा होता है कि in 1 glass only you will be full. You will not need to have lots of water. So this comes with time. So initially even I used to drink so much of water, because I used to, जितनी भूख लगी है उतना I used to drink water. But now it is like half glass of water only I feel enough for me. So this happens slowly. And then at the time when lunch time comes, like 2 o'clock or 1:30 or 1, whatever. So that time you can have like for the beginners who are first time keeping water fasting, for them I am telling you can have lemon honey water. lemon honey water also helps in detox process. We have that because in the initial state, as the body is not habitual of fasting, water fasting, so this lemon honey also brings us this sensation of not of feeling full. हमको ऐसा लगता है कि पेट भर जाता है just after having lemon honey water. So that helps us to pass the time, as well as it helps in detox. तो वो उससे हमें कोई नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. तो कितना लेमन और कितना हनी लेना है, तो अगर छोटे साइज का लेमन है तो 1 लेमन and 1 spoon of or 2 spoon of honey. You taste it. If you find it थोड़ा खट्टा लग रहा है, गले में लग रहा है, तो add 1 more spoon of honey. So mostly small lemon है तो 1 lemon and 2 spoon of honey. Otherwise बड़ा lemon है तो half lemon would be enough. So that you have to take with warm water, only with warm water. And whatever water we are having, if it is best if you can take it as warm water. अदरवाइज क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी अगर है आपके जगह पे तो नॉर्मल वाटर ले सकते हैं, ठंडा पानी नहीं लेना है. फॉर बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स यूज वार्म वाटर. फिर पूरे दिन भर में आपको जब प्यास लगती है या भूख लगती है, यू हैव टू टेक वाटर ओनली एंड जस्ट सिट विद इट, और उसको धीरे धीरे करके यू हैव टू टेक. सो दिस इज योर, देन इवनिंग अगेन यू हैव टू टेक. Have I talked about juice fast, like what juices need to be taken at which time?
No.
No.
Okay, so simultaneously I will talk about juice also. Like this is for water fasting till the lunchtime I covered. Then for juice fasting, around 8 o'clock you can write the time, but it can be as per your practices and your routine. 8 o'clock your first juice you can take. And then after 8 o'clock, you can take your next juice at your lunch time. Again, if you are very hungry, after having 1 glass also, after gulping it slowly, if you feel hungry, you can have 1 more glass of juice. Try to have only 250 ml of juice at a time, but it's okay. If you are very hungry and you cannot remain without having it, you can have another glass of juice. And then lunch also same. I would suggest to have the first glass of juice at 8 as a green juice with green leafy vegetables added to it. And then after lunch, okay, now lunch is also done. Then again in the afternoon time, you will feel some kind of, hunger when the juice is digested. So that time you can have coconut water or again any other juice. You can have orange juice also. But remember, you should have everything fresh juice, nothing from packaged juice boxes. And then again in the dinner time, you can have another juice at around 7. Have dinner, the 7 o'clock, you can have another juice. And same for water. For water fasting, you had at lunchtime honey lemon water for the beginners. And if you are already used to keeping water fasting, you only have water. Otherwise, and then in the evening also same way. दोपहर में जब आपको 4 बजे करीब भूख लग रही है, तो उस समय आप पानी ले लीजिए, water, as much water as you want. And then evening around 7-8, you can again have honey lemon water, warm water. And this is the routine of what you have to take from what you have to drink. But then other things what you should do during when you are doing fasting is you should sit in sunlight for some time. थोड़ा sunlight में जाना जरूरी है. Sunlight में you can try to go there in the morning sun or the evening sun. Sunset का time है या फिर morning का time है. Or other than this, what you should do is, very important thing is you have to do bhasti. How many of you have already experienced bhasti? Bhasti means one of the kriya.
I have done Lagu Shankha Prakshala. I don't know whether I've done Basti.
Lagu Shankha Prakshala, okay. And bhasti is enema.
Enema I'm not done.
Yeah, enema is very important in bhasti. In fasting. Why? Because what happens is जब हमारी एनर्जी डाइजेशन में नहीं यूज हो रही है, हमारी एनर्जी केवल खाने को पचाने में नहीं वेस्ट हो रही है, तब हमारी एनर्जी क्या करती है, ये सारी लेवल्स पे जहाँ पे भी गंदगी डिपॉजिट है वो वहां से निकाल के बॉडी से बाहर निकालने का काम शुरू कर देती है. It starts taking out all the toxins from wherever it is deposited and throwing out from our system through breath or through excretion. So what happens is ये कोलोन जो होता है हमारा, कोलोन में सारा टॉक्सिन्स इकट्ठा होने लग जाता है. Our whole body, all the organs, all the parts are linked with the colon also. So that they can supply the waste to the right place. So what happens is when we are fasting, toxins keep coming, keep depositing. तो वो काम करने लग जाता है पूरा सिस्टम और बढ़िया काम कर रहा रहता है. तो वो टॉक्सिन्स को बॉडी से जल्दी से बाहर निकालने के लिए वी शुड डू एनेमा. और एनेमा करने से क्या होता है, एनेमा करने से जो ये इम्प्योरिटीज है वो तुरंत बाहर चली जाती है. इसको बाहर क्यों तुरंत निकालना है, बिकॉज यू विल फील दी detox symptoms because of that toxins inside your colon. What types of detox symptoms? Like headache, like nausea, even fever you will feel, and so many different, even somebody will find taste in the tongue, kuch tongue mein taste aane lagega. So even tongue pe jo deposit ho jata hai, that is also a way of detoxing. तो ये सारे detox symptoms होते हैं, and many of the detox symptoms are linked with the कोलोन में टॉक्सिन्स जो एक्यूमुलेट हो रहे हैं, जो बॉडी हमारा काम कर रही है डिटॉक्स का, उसके कारण. तो व्हेन वी टेक एनेमा, ऑल दीज वी गेट रिलीव फ्रॉम ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड देन वी फील वेरी रिलैक्स्ड. तो जिन लोगों ने आज तक नहीं किया है और दे आर क्वाइट अफ्रेड कि कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, इट इज अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस एंड इट टेक्स ओनली 10 to 15 minutes. So that I can refer you with some of the videos of enema that you can see and learn how to do it. Okay, so that is the important thing that need to be done while fasting. So yes,
Swati, if possible, will you post these videos in our group only so that we can go through them?
Yeah, I will post the video, no problem, but actually I forgot to start it from the beginning. So when I started recording, from that time only it is there. So I will post it. Okay, and most of the thing I have already covered. Enema, that this I will share the link how to do it, and any other questions you tell me. I will also check.
So what time we can do the enema? What time? Or when?
Enema can be done in the later part of the day, in the evenings you can do, or you can do it even in after lunch also, no problem. But it is suggested that lunch time, I'm referring the time. So that time also you can do, but try जब हमने जूस पिया है उसके immediately after नहीं करें, क्योंकि he is already busy in taking care of that, no? So थोड़ा time के बाद कर सकते हैं.
So immediately after the food.
Fasting. I mean, during fasting,
yeah.
we are going to do that basti.
Please repeat your question. I couldn't hear.
During the fasting, I mean fasting day, we are performing that basti.
Yes, during fasting, and even you can do the 3 days thing. जिस दिन fast आपने जैसे आज, you can do today also, tomorrow also, and day after tomorrow also. 3 days you can do, but the compulsory thing is जिस दिन, the day which you are fasting, उस दिन आपको करना ही है. That day you should do it. It is mandatory for that. Why? Because so that you are able to cope up with the symptoms that you are facing, and toxins release हो जाएंगे body से automatically. You will feel lot of energy and you will feel so much energized, and you can do lots of things.
The guidance to perform the basti. I wanted to do that.
I will share the video. That is okay. That is just a process. I will share the link. You can do that. And then
Swati ji,
questions are there.
my question is, hello. My question is, what is the right time to do during fasting the basti? Right time for the basti?
Right time is in the evening time.
Okay.
Later part of the day. क्योंकि toxins इकट्ठे हो चुके होंगे, तो before going to bed also you can do.
Okay.
So that is more effective.
Any like food gap should be there during fasting, like juice and we are taking, no?
Yeah, if you have taken juice, उसके आधे घंटे बाद you can do. Half an hour after juice, having juice.
So after basti? After
Basti,
basti,
you
if
have to
it
relax. You have to relax, simply relax. But first time, when you will do it for first time, no, you will feel afterwards. You may feel headache. पहली बार जब करते हैं, headache will come, but that is momentarily for 1 or 2 minutes. Then it will be fine. And then when next time you will do, you will not feel any headache or anything.
Acha Swati, post fasting,
Yeah,
that also
most
you will
important.
talk?
Yes, most important is post fasting. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अब रात में हमारा सब खत्म हुआ, सुबह उठे और उठ के खूब सारा खा लिया, वो नहीं करना है. सिंपल रूल इज दैट कि फास्टिंग अगर एक दिन के लिए कर रहे हैं तो आधा दिन उसको तोड़ने में लगेगा. 2 दिन की फास्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो एक दिन उसको तोड़ने में लगेगा. So whatever time duration we fast for, half of that time we will need to follow a routine and then get back to our normal diet. So like tomorrow you will fast, and then day after tomorrow when you will wake up, you will do all your sadhana. Yes, you will go in sun also, you will do neti also, and then you will have, first thing you will have will be like which fast we are going to break. Agar water fasting break karna hai, so we will have first thing as for breaking fast is juice. Water fast को break करने के लिए first thing we can have is juice, and same kind of juice as I spoke for juice fasting. So 8 o'clock around you can have one juice, and then afterwards lunch time पे you can have a bowl of fruits, या एक single fruit भी ले सकते हैं. This is I am talking about water fasting. So you can have a fruit, apple or orange or mix fruits, 2-3 fruits mix करके ले लिए. But make sure the food should be of similar type. Sugary fruits हैं तो sugary fruits ही हो, like this. And then in the evening again, you will get hungry. Don't have anything, simply just have a juice only. Coconut water or any juice, and then in the dinner you will have your first grain meal. Pehla grain meal after your water fasting, you will have it in the dinner, and that will also be a light food only. Abhi regular wala khana nahi lena. More vegetables should be there, and single grain hai to more easy to digest. Like आपने rice बना लिया और सब्जियां डाल के rice बना लिया, या फिर आपने सब्जी रोटी ले लिया. So this is what you can have. It is 8:52 already. And then for juice fasting, how to break juice fasting?
yeah,
Next,
juice fast.
yeah. Next day, what you need to do? सारा अपना साधना किया. You went in sun also. Went for sunbathe, and then after that you also when you go for sunbathe, you also get fresh air. So both things are happening. So it is important to be in the nature for some time. अपने छत पे चले गए या फिर बाहर कहीं garden है वहाँ पे चले गए, तो that is good. Or then what else? Okay, first juice fasting में first thing you can have is a fruit. एक fruit ले सकते हैं हम. At 8 o'clock you can have a fruit. Try to have only one fruit, that will be better. Like one apple, if you want, you can have one apple. Then the second thing what you can do is at 11 around you can have some salad. कुछ सैलेड ले सकते हैं, कुछ भी, जैसे खीरा टमाटर काट लिया वो लेना है. Try not to add salt. You can have lemon. Then again in the evening you can have juice. 3-4 बजे अगर भूख लगता है तो you can have juice of your choice. You can have fruit juice also. With fiber you can have. But don't add salt. Salt will come in the evening only. The next day of the fast, salt will come in the evening dinner time only. And you can have similar kind of dinner, more vegetables, less of grain. तो खिचड़ी ले सकते हैं आप, vegetables and rice, or sabzi and chapati. So that's all. And for any questions you can ask, and those who have to leave can leave, because more important things are already covered, and there are a lot of it about fasting, so we can have more sessions later and we can discuss more.
This post fasting,
Hmm.
you have to perform only after the day or day after the day. I mean, 2 days after the fasting.
जस्ट आफ्टर
One day.
नेक्स्ट डे, ओनली फॉर वन डे, नेक्स्ट डे, क्योंकि हमने एक दिन का फास्ट रखा है, एक दिन का फास्ट रखा है तो आधा दिन लगेगा अगले दिन का, वापस अपनी डिनर पे अपन वापस आ पाएंगे। अगर 2 दिन का फास्ट रखते तो नेक्स्ट डे कंप्लीटली वी वुड हैव फॉलोड ऑल दिस जूस एंड फ्रूट्स एंड सैलेड्स एंड सूप्स विदाउट सॉल्ट, and next day we would have come to what we did for one day fasting, like that. तो slowly आना, लॉजिक समझ लीजिए कि एज वी आर फास्टिंग तो हमारी जो जठराग्नि है, जठराग्नि कम हो जाती है पेट की, क्योंकि वो बाकी काम कर रही है, तो उसको धीरे धीरे आके बढ़ाना है। तो धीरे धीरे बढ़ाना है तो हम एक फ्रूट से बढ़ाएंगे, फिर थोड़ा सा उसको सैलेड दे देंगे, फिर बीच में फिर जूस लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद दोबारा डिनर करेंगे, लाइक दिस। तो ऐसे ऐसे करके वो प्रॉपरली बढ़ेगी। और जनरली क्या करते हैं, व्हेन वी कीप करवा चौथ फास्टिंग, पूरे दिन तो इतनी मेहनत करी हमने, खाना भी नहीं खाया, पानी भी नहीं पिया, और पूरा मतलब मेहनत करी, और रात में हस्बैंड के साथ डिनर पे चले गए और पूरा का पूरा खाना खा के आ गए, पूरा मतलब मेहनत खराब हो जाती है। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी फेल्ड व्हेन वी कीप नॉर्मल फास्ट, बिकॉज वी डोंट फॉलो द आफ्टर पोस्ट फास्ट रूटीन, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नहीं तो सिस्टम पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, एंड वो जो खुशी उसको मिलती है ना कि अरे फास्टिंग में ये सब कर पा रहा है, और जैसे इतना सारा खाना खा लेते हैं तो वो पूरा खुशी ना गम में बन जाता है फॉर द सिस्टम। सो दैट नीड टू बी टेकन केयर। और दैट्स ऑल। एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस?
Hello.
यस रूपल।
Swati, just now you said that कि पूरा दिन फास्ट करते हैं फिर जाके डिनर खा लेते हैं, पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाता है। So initially it's difficult. मतलब personally I feel I have tried, but you know what happens, the whole day I can do, but at the time of dinner in the evening, you can say, my body demands something, not junk food or something. If I'll get khichdi also, that is fine, but you know what, it feels that I want to have something, some grain in the dinner only. Throughout the day I can do fast, but at the time of dinner my body feels that
Actually this happens
now
during fasting. Sleeping is difficult. You are more alert, wakefulness is more. तो फास्टिंग के टाइम पे वो जो फील हो रहा है ना, that is mind level, वो जो कि मुझे खाना ही है, that is mind level. But the thing is, if you do enema, अगर हम enema करते हैं ना, तो that mind level is also taken care, तो वो फिर हमें माइंड बॉदर नहीं करता। और इतनी सारी गुड क्वालिटीज हमारे, एवरीवन हैज गुड क्वालिटीज, और actually we are made of what we have already seen in our lectures, that we have all love inside us. So that love, because of all these toxins which we have accumulated from so many lives, this love is hidden. तो वो ये खुल जाता है, वो सफाई हो जाती है ना, तो this love come out and you become more generous. कंपैशन आ जाता है, विल पावर बढ़ता है, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, पेशेंस बढ़ता है, सारी गुड क्वालिटीज जो हमारी हैं, नेचुरली हैं, वो दिखने लग जाती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ फास्टिंग। बट अगर फास्टिंग के सिम्टम्स निकल रहे हैं, डिटॉक्स सिम्टम्स यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग, तो यू विल फील इरिटेटेड, you will feel like some negative kind of state will come. Why? Because those toxins are getting released na, तो उसका वो होगा। लेकिन if you will take enema, you will get rid of those toxins, so the symptoms will also be taken care. And initially, if you cannot keep water fasting, if you cannot keep juice fasting, you simply follow the post day thing of the fasting. तो post routine आप follow कर लो। क्या post routine में try not to have grain, केवल अपने fruits ले लिए, vegetables ले लिए, don't have salt, have lemon instead of salt. Taste के लिए do not have anything salt and sugar. टी कॉफी बिल्कुल अवॉइड करना है। टी कॉफी क्या करते हैं, बॉडी का वाटर खींच लेते हैं, दे आर दैट इज वेरी हार्मफुल, तो उससे छुटकारा पाना पड़ेगा। तो उसके डिटॉक्स सिम्टम्स आपको महसूस होंगे, क्योंकि टी और कॉफी लेने की आदत पड़ी होती है, और एक दिन भी नहीं होता है तो वो मेंटल लेवल पे तो करता ही है, और फिजिकली यू विल फील लाइक कैसा लग रहा है. But if you will do methi and if you will do enema, all these will help you actually to take care of your mental level. These are at our Annamaya Kosh level cleaning, which we have learned in Asvyasa, but indirectly they purifies our mental Manomaya Kosh as well. So that is important. And any other question?
One more thing. One more thing. I heard that adding honey to the warm water becomes poisonous. So that we are including lemon or how it will be. I don't know.
So, honey become poisonous only when it is heated on fire. जब हम आग पे उसको गर्म करते हैं तो honey should not be consumed like that. Honey should always be consumed in warm water, in the normal temperature, or warm water is okay. Warm water में कोई खराबी नहीं होती है. जब आग के ऊपर उसको गर्म करते हैं इतना गर्म हो जाता है वो, तो वो खराब हो जाता है. बल्कि हनी विथ लेमन वाटर इज अ मेडिसिन, आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन भी होती है ये. एंड हाँ, मेडिसिन की बात से याद आया, इफ यू आर ऑन एनी मेडिकेशन, अगर आपको बीपी है, डायबिटीज है, कुछ भी थायराइड है, इसका आप रोज का गोली खा रहे हैं, तो फास्टिंग में ट्राई नॉट टू हैव योर मेडिसिन बाय, बिकॉज मेडिसिन क्या करती है, मेडिसिन सप्रेस करती है सिम्टम्स को, राइट. एंड yeah, okay, I have to leave, my son is I have to take care of him, but I will tell you about this, in any of the diseases, try not to take your medicine अगर कंट्रोल में चल रहा है सब कुछ तो, क्योंकि जो हमारी बॉडी करने लग जाएगी, प्राण शक्ति उसको सप्रेस खुद करेगी, और आप दवाई ले लोगे तो वो और ज्यादा सप्रेस हो जाएगा, तो वो प्रॉब्लम कर सकता है. लाइक डायबिटीज की दवाई से शुगर लेवल कम होता है, और ऑलरेडी व्हेन यू आर फास्टिंग शुगर लेवल कम होगा, दवाई ले लेंगे तो वो और ज्यादा कम हो जाएगा, तो दिस इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. तो अगर ये वाली आप में से किसी को भी है तो यू कॉल मी डायरेक्टली एंड आस्क मी. यस, आई हैव टू लीव राइट नाउ गाइस. If any other question, you post in group.
Appreciate your.
We can leave you message, no, if anything is there.
Yeah. This meeting is over. I will only off the video, or it is on my.
Yeah.
Check the messages
Kindly
later.
text all the
Otherwise,
doubts in the group itself. Kindly
Yes.
text all the
Swati.
text all the doubts in the group itself so that we can.
Sure. You can ask the questions in the WhatsApp group also. You make sure you can ask questions in the group. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let
Yeah.
us
Thank you
keep
so
our eyes
much.
closed and we'll chant O3 and one Shanti. Breathe in. Om Shanti
Shanti,
Shanti
Shanti,
Shanti.
Shanti.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.